As Sydney mentioned, courtrooms in McAllen and Brownsville have seen a huge increase in the number of immigrants in recent weeks. Joining me now is CBS 4's Abril Preciado. And Abril, you've been in court for the past couple of days. And what exactly have you seen?
Nicole, I have been following federal courthouse proceedings within Brownsville and McAllen, and you're right. There are more than 100 people waiting for their cases to be heard, and that's just one in the past 2 days. Just over the past 2 months, federal courtrooms in the Southern District of Texas have seen an overflow of misdemeanor cases of illegal entry.
The numbers, I mean, in terms of how much they've increased, it's more like 5 and 10 times the number of people that they would have seen on a daily basis prior to the zero tolerance policy.
Immigration attorney Jody Goodwin has witnessed a jump in the numbers since the policy went into effect. She says between the Brownsville and McAllen division courtrooms, they can see about 200 to 250 people per day. According to the federal public defenders from the Southern District of Texas, there are only about 10 magistrate judges in the district, half of them located in the valley. That has brought concern to federal public defenders with the separation of families, something Attorney Goodwin has seen the reality of this nightmare firsthand.
I've interviewed multiple parents who have not seen or heard from their children in over 2 weeks, and they don't know where they're at. So to the extent that they were to be reunited right after prosecution, I don't accept that as truth.
On Saturday, Border Patrol Chief Manuel Padilla explained that parents are given information to track down their children. But Goodwin says parents cannot be told where their kids are for security measures, since it's the Office of Refugee Settlement who is responsible for the children. Since the policy went into effect, nearly 30% of the cases include family separations in McAllen alone, and where many are separated before they make their court appearance. She explains public defenders are doing everything they can to guide them through the process.
There are rights for all people in the United States that are protected by the Constitution. There are specific rights that are built into the immigration statute, the immigration laws, and individuals need to be made aware of what those rights are and what they aren't.
Goodwin explains after prosecution is over, defendants are taken to a detention center and wait until they are deported back to their country. In the studio with complete Valley coverage, Abril Preciado, CBS 4 Valley at 6.